Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. My name is Poma Murmu. How are you? I hope you people are doing fantastic in your life. So in this video, I am going to take a day 11 of the spoken English challenge, and in this video, I am going to tell you the very interesting and very easy trick that you can apply in your life, and you will just see wonders and wonders of positive changes in your spoken English journey. So in this video, I am going to tell a 5-minute techniques that is very easy and you can just apply. And before doing that apply this technique in your life, first keep in your mind that you have to be consistent, you have to be focused, and you have to be determined by practicing this in your spoken English journey. So first you have to take that you have to take a 5 minutes of your daily life each day. Yes, whatever you have to do, that what you have to do is just take a 5 minutes, and from gallery or from chat gpt or from google, or you can also from the pinterest application, you can take a image or a picture, and that picture must be of about a people of the trees, and lots of something is happening on this picture, and you just have to take it and keep in front of you and just describe it, whatever you are observing it, whatever the things that are giving on that picture, just describe in english. Yes, this is a very interesting, and you might people be thinking that just speaking about a 5 minutes on one topic on about this picture, this is really a very boring. No, I'm really telling you that this is not that much boring, but this is very funny. But but this is a 5 minutes of practicing that english is very very important, because of this 5 minutes practice you will see after 7 days that you have improved a lot, because there is no one in front of you, there will be no person nearby you that person will judge you or criticize your english, and you will do lots of mistakes. I know, because yes, we know, because we people are not habituate of these english languages, and we will do lots of mistakes. So definitely I had done lots of mistakes during my spoken english journey said, then definitely you will do it. So this is not just like walking on the garden. Yes, this is not that much easy to like walking on the park, but that is not that much tough actually, but you will definitely practice it in your life, then you'll definitely watch a very significant changes in your spoken english journey. So while speaking this spoken when you are practicing this kind of technique uh, in your life, then one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you are speaking english, just speak loudly, so that you can see, means you can see your mistakes, and also whatever you are speaking, whatever the words that comes from your mouth, and whatever the sentences that you are constructing, all the sentences should be striking in your ear. This is very important, so that you can see the whatever the sentences you are making, all those are correct or not, and whatever the english you are speaking, all they are good or bad. Okay, so that your speaking should be see clearly, and sorry, listen clearly. So because of that I am saying to that, just speak english loudly, whatever the picture you are describing, just speak loudly, so that you can speak so that you can listen your word clearly. Okay, and one thing that I am going to tell you, that another thing, just speak clearly is not that much enough. You have to take just you have to take gestures, you have to use gestures and movements while speaking english. Why I am telling you this, because when you do a kind of gestures, little much about of gestures and movements while speaking english, that overall edit up in your personality, and you will see a lot of confidence whenever you will speak English in front of the people. And when you do conversation with anybody else, just do little much about of gestures and little much about of positive moments, that you will see a little much about of confident, that yes, people will definitely say that you are confident in English, you really know the English language. So this is very important. And while speaking English, one another thing that you have to keep in your mind, that just keep on smiling, guys, not just like still in like this, and you are not just smiling, not using any type of gestures, then you are will not see any kind of confidence in yourself, understands? So from today onwards itself, just practice English for 5 minutes, and you will see that something is best than for the nothing you are not doing it, understand? So that's why I'm telling you that speaking English is not about of 5 minutes each day, but when you will consistent about of 5 minutes for months, for years, then you will definitely speak English fluently. Yeah, once, yes, because if you are telling me, if you, many of you are asking me the how, from where I learned English and how did I speak English very fluently, then my this spoken language is not just come from practicing for 1 month, 2 month, or 1 day or one night, guys. It has been put it a lot of efforts for from the 3 years, 5 years. Okay, and another thing that I want to mention, that whenever you are speaking English, I means whenever you are describing your images or pictures, just take a camera in front of you and record the video, and also you can record your audio. And after completing the 5 minutes, listen the things that you have described, you have discussed, and you will see there are lots of mistakes that you have discussed in your audio, in your video. And what you have to do is just write it down in your notebook, that what you have mistake, and the what are the pronunciations that you have mistaken, and lots of things that you will find that there are lots of things that are mistake. So mistakes are not about something that you will lose your confidence. Mistakes are the stepping stones of our success. So all the mistakes will be piled up, and you will analyze it and correct it, then definitely it will add it up over your personality, and you will get success in your life very soon, guys. So what you have to do after knowing your mistakes, just go to the Chat GPT or Google and put that images or the picture that you have selected, and what you have to what write in your Chat GPT and say it, that tell it or about the consent and about the picture in detail. Then you will see there are lots of things that you have mixed up, and there are lots of things that will be common with your words, and there are lots of things that will also be different from your sentences, and there are lots of things that you have not described it. So you will definitely see that there are lots of things that you have not correctly pronounced, and also you have not correctly say, you have not correctly construct your sentences, then you will see lots of mistake, right? So in the same way, you have to do it for the next day for the 5 minutes, and take a picture again and just describe it for the 7 days. You will see that lots of things that you will improve, lots of things like the pronunciation, also the word stocks will be increased, vocabulary will be increased, lots of things will be increased. So in the same way, you have to do it for the months and 2 months, then you will see that you have improved your English a lot. So that's all for today, guys. Please like and share and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in the comment section that how you have improved or not. Okay, so how it is helpful for you or not. So okay, then bye bye.